There are a ton of benefits of baking soda uses, but put baking soda in your vagina? Yes. You can also use baking soda for feminine odor problems. If your vaginal odor has ever stopped you from getting busy under the sheets, you may want to give these natural home remedies a try. Put baking soda in your vagina and watch what happens. Feminine odor is an embarrassing condition. But why buy an expensive chemically loaded female hygiene product, when a simple kitchen ingredient can do the trick? You can easily make your own natural feminine hygiene wash with baking soda. This wonderful ingredient can help you combat vaginal infections and keep you odor-free down there. Learn how to get rid of vaginal odor with baking soda safely at home. Using baking soda to clean the area can help you restore the pH balance and bring it to the optimum level. Watch this video to learn how to make your all-natural baking soda feminine wash, so you can kiss goodbye to that vagina odor for good.
Put baking soda in your vagina and watch what happens. Has your vaginal odor ever stopped you from getting busy under the sheets? Feminine odor is an embarrassing condition. You need to take care of it if you want your man to stick around your tunnel of love. Thankfully, there are several natural home remedies that can help you combat this problem. You may have already heard of the many benefits of baking soda uses. But, did you know that you can also use baking soda for feminine odor problems? Now, you may wonder why on earth I would suggest that you put baking soda in your vagina. But, trust me on this one. While there are a plethora of vaginal washes available on the market that promise to keep you healthy and smelling fresh down there, most of these commercial feminine products are loaded with chemicals that can be harsh on your vag. And why buy an expensive, chemically loaded female hygiene product, when a simple kitchen ingredient can do the trick? You can easily make your own natural feminine hygiene wash with baking soda. This wonderful ingredient can help you combat vaginal infections and keep your nether regions odor-free. So, how to get rid of vaginal odor with baking soda? Before we get into the nitty-gritty, you need to know a little bit more about the environment of your punani. The pH level of a healthy vagina is typically between 3.5 and 4.5. This also means that the area is a little acidic in nature. If the pH level goes up or down, it could be responsible for a host of problems, including yeast infections, excessive vaginal discharge, foul odor, itching, and painful intercourse. However, using baking soda to clean the area can help you restore the pH balance and bring it to an optimum level. That's because baking soda is alkaline in nature. When an alkaline substance is mixed with something acidic, it neutralizes it. So, here are a few ways in which baking soda can help with vaginal problems. Number 1. Make a baking soda feminine wash. Mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda in a mug filled with lukewarm water. Use this mix to clean your entire vaginal area, including both outer and inner labia, and the vaginal opening. Once you use this baking soda solution to clean the entire area, wash it once again with regular water, and pat dry with a clean towel. But, don't go overboard with baking soda, as too much of it can leave the area dry. You can use this baking soda wash to clean your vagina after your period as well, since your menstrual blood has a pH of 7.5, which leaves the area dry and itchy right after your period is over. Before and after sex, as semen has a pH of 7.1 to 8. Or, after using scented vaginal wash, or douche, since most over-the-counter vaginal washes or douches have a pH of 8 and they can leave you dry and itchy. So, use this remedy to restore proper balance. This remedy will also come in handy if you suffer from hormonal fluctuation, such as menopause, pregnancy, or other health problems that could disrupt the pH balance of your vagina. If you are smelly, wet and itchy down there, you might be suffering from a yeast infection. But, you can relieve these annoying and embarrassing symptoms naturally, with baking soda. Number 2, use baking soda as bath salt. Add 1/2 cup of baking soda to a bucket full of lukewarm water. Pour this mixture in your bathtub and allow your lower body to soak in it for at least 20 minutes. Make sure that your lady bits are well soaked in the water. Next, rinse off, and dry yourself with a towel. Number 3. Make a soothing baking soda drink. In a glass of water, mix 1/2 spoon of baking soda, and drink it just before your big night, or when washing isn't possible. I can assure you that this won't be the best tasting drink you've ever had, but it can help minimize the symptoms of a foul smell, or itch. In conclusion, I suggest that you do not rely on this solution to treat gynecological problems that need the attention of an expert. If you experience itchiness, foul smell, excessive vaginal discharge, even after using this home remedy for more than 2 weeks, be sure to visit your gynecologist. If you decide to try this method and put baking soda in your vagina, let us know what happens. If you have any other useful home remedies with baking soda, please do share. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, and subscribe for more videos like this.